Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, and that I make so much of it, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking everyone in advance for that thumbs up. Okay, guys, this is exciting. This means we are heading into spring because the Walmart quarterly beauty box has arrived. If you're not familiar with this box is around $7 a quarter, and when you sign up for it, it is free ship in the USA. It is usually filled with a couple of sample sizes. Sometimes we get lucky and get some full sizes in here as well. This is always a box for me that is a treat, and it has really evolved because when this box first started, it was a lot of foil packs and things like that, and now I find it's really, really amazing. Also, they have a lot of different variations in this box. It also comes with a card, and inside the card is all of these other options that could possibly have been in my box. I now am getting two boxes from this because they also sometimes have limited edition boxes. So on the last time around, I did an upgrade on my original box, and I wanted to make sure that I didn't miss out on the $7 box as well. And ironically, the new account that I set up is the box that we are looking at today. I still haven't gotten any information yet on my original account, but this is the newer one. Also, I'll start off by sharing with you guys on the corner here of this tag. It says this is the Beauty Box Spring 2023 Spring. It is going to be volume 6. So that is the one that I'm going to be going through with you guys today. Inside, there's also this really beautiful, beautiful royal blue tissue paper. It's packed really, really beautiful. So I'm going to go through the items that are in here, and then at the end, I will share with you the other options of what we could have also gotten in this box. So we'll see if I end up getting the same box or I'll get another box when my other box starts to ship. So this one is called Beauty is in the Bloom, and it simply says, leave dull, dry winter days in hibernation and wake up on your self-care routine with a few freshly picked favorites. The ultimate spring glow awaits with scent, and there is a perfume in this as well, because if you're not familiar, I do open up everything prior to take a picture for my Instagram, and my name there is True Wants with the number 2. So I really hope you'll follow me there because I am starting to share a lot of information there that doesn't need a video. And they're saying as sweet as flowers, rainy day. There's also hair revival in here as well. It's a really good mix of products, hydration, skincare. Brighter days are here. Fill them with beauty basics to make this season sensational. So starting with the first item in here, and I thought they really packaged this really, really well because the first item in here is a liquid, and it did come in one of these Ziploc bags, and I really appreciated that because if there was going to be any leakage, it wouldn't have damaged anything else in the box, but there was absolutely no problems at all. This one is called the Marc Anthony. It is a Repair Bond. It also has a Repair and Protect Leave-In Treatment. This is a sample size, but the full size of this one is only going to be $8.47, and it will be an 8.4 fluid ounce. And it says we're making bad hair days a thing of the past with this Repair Bond. And it also has a special ingredient here that is trademarked to their brand that is called Resculpt, or Resculplex, I guess, the treatment. Revive your tired tresses with this system that's clinically proven to make your hair up to 111% stronger and 140% smoother and 129% shinier. This is also a brand that I have shared with you on this channel before, and it is one that I highly recommend. This is a person who, his name is Marc Anthony, and he was a really fantastic hairdresser in Canada. where I grew up, and he also had a line of professional brand as well as that were available in salons, and then he also had a brand that was available in drugstores. So I'm so happy when we see his brand here as well in the USA. Let me just tilt this up a little bit higher so that we get everything on screen. All right, the next item that I have here is from Neutrogena, and this one here says this is a Hydro Boost. It is also a fragrance-free hydrating gel cleanser. This is full size. This is $8.99 would be for the full size. That will be a 7.8 fluid ounce. And it simply says here, drowning in moisturizers and oversized water bottles. Get all of the hydration your skin will need with this luscious face wash. It says soak up this hyaluronic acid formula that works to lock in moisture for the ultimate radiant glow. So we have a really good sample size here of this product. The next one that we have in this box is one that is a foil pack, and normally this would disappoint me, but I think this was done brilliantly. It is from Covergirl. This is their Clean Fresh Skincare Color Correcting Serum Moisturizing Primer. There are 4 different packs in here, so we'll be able to look at those. The full size, where you'll get to choose which one suits you the best, is only $14.98, and it will be for a 1 fluid ounce. And they're saying, feeling comfortable in your skin by combating and correcting tone-relating sensitivities, this multi-purpose serum has been expertly crafted to strengthen the skin's natural moisture barrier while improving your complexion. So as you can see here, they have it here, all the Clean Fresh Skincare. This is a brand new product launch. And inside here, we have where they have the Clean Fresh Skincare Color Correcting Serum, Moisturizing, and Primer. They're saying this one on the top here is saying it is for fair skin tones. The next one here says it is for light skin tones. Then they have this one here that is for medium skin tones. And then they have this one here that is for deep skin tones. So this is all color correcting. So I think this is fantastic because I'll definitely be trying all of them, because just based on the colors that are behind here, the green they're saying will help with fair complexion because usually they have more redness. The light is that one that has the pink. Then they have the yellow, and then they have the deep. Really excited for this because I do enjoy CoverGirl, and their True Clean line is one that I've been enjoying as well. So really excited about that. The next item that we have in here looks like it could possibly be, this is a 2.5 ounce, and this is the EOS Shea Butter. It is a 24-hour moisture shaving cream, and they're saying the product will vary inside this. So the one that I got is in this. The picture that I will show you at the end is more of a blue container, so it might be different than the one that I got, but it still is a shaving cream. And this one says it has pomegranate as well as raspberry in it as well. And the full size of this is a 4.97, so this one is only 2.5, so this is a really nice deluxe sample size, but the full size is only $3.97. It says to $4, excuse me, I'm reading something incorrectly. The products will vary on this. So the full size they're saying is, it can run from $3.97 to $4.97. And the full size of this would be 7 fluid ounces. And this is a deluxe sample size at 2.5. The $4.97 is the other price that, depending on which one you would get, it might go up to that price. The next one here is a set of eyelashes. And on this one, it is from the brand that is AF94. This says false advertising faux lashes. They're saying this lash is a fluffy, rounded lash. This is considered full size, and this is $4.98. And that is an up close of the lashes that you would get. The next item that is in this package, can you believe how much we get in here, is a sample size of the Sweet Tooth by Sabrina Carpenter. The full size of this perfume is $29.99, and you would get a 1 fluid ounce. And this one here says it is a delicious fragrance. It is sweet yet sophisticated. And what I did was I definitely sprayed the card because I wanted to smell it, and it is definitely sweet. The information on here says sugar and spice and everything nice, but with a twist. It says Sabrina Carpenter invites you to become obsessed by her debut scent. So this is the first time she's doing a perfume. And then the notes on here, let me see if I can get this so that the camera can see it properly. It says the top note is sparkling bergamot, then it has candied ginger, and then it has chocolate marshmallow. Then the mid notes are a coconut milk. It also has shea jasmine petals, as well as vanilla Madagascar. And then the dry notes are a cashmere wood, a chantilly, it says STT, it says it's a trademark, and then there is sugar must. So when I sprayed this on the card, I did this when I was unpacking, and it really has a scent to it that is so scrumptious. I think so many people will enjoy it as well. It does have a sweetness to it, but it also has a really sophistication to it as well. So I think they really explain that well. And then the next item that is in here is this one from CeraVe, and this is a cream to foam cleanser. And this is, of course, a sample size. The full size of this would be $12.47, and that would be a 12 fluid ounce. And this is a hydrating cream to foam cleanser. And that is what this looks like here. So this, I think, is a really well-rounded box. You have a mixture of everything, but I also want to share with you the information that is on the card. So we did get this item in the box, as well as the Neutrogena and the Covergirl, the first three. And then the next two were in my box. However, the next two that were over were ones that could possibly be in other boxes. And this Christine S is a Star Reviving Dry Shampoo. And next to it is from Thayer's. This is their Natural Remedy Facial Toner. And that one, they're saying the products will vary, because I know with this brand is one that I definitely have always in my arsenal. They have it in a lot of different scents as well. Then on the top panel here, we could have also gotten a Body Fantasies, which is a Japanese cherry blossom, which that would be scrumptious, because one of my favorite products from Ritual is that cherry blossom scent. So that would be amazing. I hope I get that one in my next box. And then we have from Maybelline, we also have it, they're saying this is a Curl Bounce Mascara. That I think would be amazing to get in the box as well. And then we have from Derma E, another brand that I love as well. This is their Vitamin C Moisturizer and Serum. So many fantastic brands in here. And then this other one could be from, it says Share Decades. This, they're saying this is also going to be a perfume, because it says it's an EDP. Then the one I got in this box was the Sweet Tooth, excuse me. Then the CeraVe we already went through. And then the other one would be Pink Sugar, which would also be a perfume. And then the other possibility that could be in the spring box is from Nexus, another fantastic brand. This is a Color Assure shampoo and conditioner. And then the last items that would be available would be from Kiss. It looks like it would be their Gel Fantasy Sculptured Nails. And they're saying the next one would be from Juicy Couture, would also be a perfume. And then it says, if you don't see the product here, it says your box may include an extra surprise that they didn't have on the card. So all these items are potential possibilities that we can get in our box. I had the opportunity to share the ones that I got in this box. So we'll see when my next box arrives that I pay for. We'll see what happens with that one, if we end up with similar items, or I'll get lucky and be able to get some new items as well. So really excited about this box. I think this is a winner. I'm happy with everything that is in here, which means I will probably be using everything that is in this box, or be able to gift it to people that I know will have enjoyment for these products as well. Tell me what your thoughts are in reference to this. Like I said, I'm really impressed with this box. It is one that I think is a real nice treat to get, because it is only around that $7 price range. And it is one that is free ship in the USA. And like I said, you get some really great samples, and you also get to learn about some new launches, as well as some products that maybe you didn't know were available at Walmart. And Walmart is always a great place for drugstore makeup, because I find their pricing is really, really good. And a lot of times they have brands that are only exclusive to them at Walmart, like the Uma by Sharon C and so on. So please share with me your thoughts and comments down below. I'd love to know if you get this box as well. And this is always, like I said, just a nice quarterly treat for the amount of dollars that it costs to be able to get a subscription box surprise. All right, take care, everybody. Continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all soon in the next one. Bye for now.